Christmas has come. Maybe Santa will hear my wish. Dear Santa, please let me meet my daddy. Please Santa, just for one day. Santa will surely come.
I wish I could fulfill this wish. You are very strong, my child.
Daddy didn't come. I don't want these gifts. I just want my daddy. Good morning, Mama.
Good morning, my child. If you don't eat, Daddy will feel sad.
I am right here.
Daddy,
My child, finish your food.
I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Daddy, I miss you.
Daddy will always live in your heart.